Google is gearing up to launch its newest flagship smartphone, the Pixel 8 Pro, which is expected to offer a substantial upgrade in its camera technology. The company has confirmed that it will be officially teasing the upcoming Pixel 8 and 8 Pro at the upcoming I/O event on May 10. Following the official reveal of the Pixel 7a, it is clear that Google's ultimate goal is to introduce new camera hardware to all of its main Pixel devices, from the Pixel 7a to the Pixel 8 Pro. The Pixel 8 Pro will feature a new main camera sensor, which is the largest camera upgrade seen on any Pixel phone to date. In fact, the ISO-Cell GN2 sensor, developed by Samsung, is the largest camera sensor that the company has ever produced. This sensor has already been used on other phones, such as the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra, and is known for its capability to produce high-quality images and videos. When combined with the latest hardware, Google will be able to take this sensor to the next level, unlocking features such as staggered HDR, 4K 120 FPS, 8K 30 frames per second video, and the ability to take 50 megapixel and 100 megapixel still photos. In addition to the camera upgrade, the Pixel 8 Pro will also feature the Exynos 2300 CPU, which is Samsung's best ever CPU, and possibly AMD graphics. This is a significant move for Samsung, as the Exynos 2300 has not been released on any of their own phones yet. The recently leaked kernel information confirmed the existence of the Exynos 2300, along with the Samsung Eclipse 930 GPU. It is possible that the Pixel 8 series will be the first to showcase AMD graphics. The Pixel 8 series will be launched with Android 14 right out of the box. One of the most important features of Android 14 is that it will enable satellite connectivity, making the Pixel series one of the first phones to offer this feature. This could be a game changer for those who need reliable connectivity in remote areas or during natural disasters. Google will unveil more details about the Pixel 8 series and Android 14 at the upcoming I/O event. This event will also see the launch of the Pixel 7a, Pixel Fold, and Pixel Watch 2nd generation, making it a significant event for Google and its fans. With these new devices, Google is positioning itself as a major player in the value flagship market, offering high-quality features at a more affordable price point. In summary, the Pixel 8 Pro is set to revolutionize the smartphone camera industry with its new main camera sensor, the largest ever made by Samsung. The phone will also feature Samsung's Exynos 2300 CPU, possibly with AMD graphics, and Android 14 with satellite connectivity. Google is positioning itself as a significant player in the value flagship market, and the launch of the Pixel 8 series and its accompanying devices at the I/O event is highly anticipated. So, are you ready to upgrade to the ultimate flagship phone for 2023? Stay tuned for more details at the I/O event on May 10th. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Until then, peace out.